So tell me, what kind of bowl are you imagining? I know you're imagining something. We all have. Maybe you're imagining a beautiful centerpiece that's gorgeous and functional for your kitchen. Maybe you're imagining a beautiful natural edge bowl that can be displayed near your front door to hold your keys. Maybe you want to be able to turn an elegant small bowl that has a beautiful form that you can give to someone as a gift. Before I really developed my wood bowl turning skills, I imagined making really thin, beautiful live edge bowls. Now, I'm not showing you these to brag or to impress you. Instead, I'm actually showing you these to inspire you. Why? Well, guess what? All of these bowls have something in common. The techniques used to create these bowls from start to finish are all exactly the same. And in my wood bowl turning start to finish online e-course, I'm going to show you all those steps from start to finish. We're going to use very reasonable size, practical bowl blanks that are going to be a lot less intimidating than trying to do something like this right from the beginning. But here's the cool thing. As your skills build and as you learn from these lessons and these videos, you're going to be able to make any bowl that you can imagine. You're going to be able to make a large bowl, a natural edge bowl, anything that you want using all the steps you're going to learn in this online e-course. If you've started turning wood bowls but you're not quite there or you're struggling with a few techniques or concepts, this e-course is for you. Again, I'm going to go through all of the steps from start to finish and help you understand everything you need to know to make a beautiful wood bowl. Now, if you're completely new to wood bowl turning, or if you're just curious about what's all involved, this course is going to be great for you too, because not only is it going to be a beautiful introduction, it's going to be the foundation of everything you need to learn how to turn wood bowls. If you're turning with carbide scrapers and you haven't yet used the bowl gouge, this course is for you. We're going to use the traditional tools and the bowl gouge when making the bowls in this course, and you're going to learn all the skills needed to transition from the carbide scrapers to the traditional bowl gouge. There are many ways to learn how to turn wood bowls. However, there aren't many places where you can get all of the information you need for the entire process of wood bowl turning all in one place and easily indexed for you to come back to whenever you need a refresher or you need to pick up where you left off. That's what I really worked hard with this course, is I really wanted to create a beautiful structure of lesson plans that are reasonably sized, video-based, and they're easy to digest. You don't have to sit there for hours and watch a video and try to take everything in. Instead, we're going to move through all the steps of wood bowl turning one step at a time or one lesson at a time. And each of the lessons are clearly titled for what the subject is. So you could easily jump in there wherever you want. Now, if you'd like, you can take a look at the lesson plan right now. If you click on the link below that goes to the course, you can see all the lesson plans there. The first two lessons are open and available for you to view, and you get an idea of how the entire course will progress through those lessons. But you can read all those titles, you see everything we're going to cover. Now, here's what's cool. Not only am I going to show you all the techniques for making a bowl from start to finish, but I've thrown in a whole bunch of different lessons that are in key different locations throughout the lesson plans that are going to teach you all the skills you need to properly use a bowl gouge. Now, at first, the bowl gouge can be kind of intimidating, but what we're going to do is we're going to go through each of the lessons and we're going to slowly bring your skill level and your confidence with the bowl gouge, and we're going to raise that and keep making that a little bit better and a little bit better. By the time you're done with this course, you're going to be very confident and proficient in using the bowl gouge. Maybe it's just me, but it's very rare that someone turning wood and demonstrating how to turn a wood bowl uses a very simplistic, readily available piece of wood to demonstrate on. Instead, they're typically using these really gorgeous pieces of wood that are very expensive and large. And if you were to start practicing with a piece of wood like that, not only are you going to be intimidated, but it's going to hold you back because you're not going to be willing to take chances and potentially mess up that bowl blank. Well, in this course, I've come up with a way for us to all be turning with the same type of bowl blanks. Not only that, they are readily available and they're very inexpensive. You're going to love this part of the course. When you see me turning, you're going to be able to go to your lathe and you're going to be able to turn pretty much the same thing. Not only that is we're going to use reasonably sized bowl blanks, nothing that's massive and cumbersome, and they're going to be reasonably sized that you can put this on any lathe. So even if you have a smaller benchtop lathe, you could take this course and you could follow right along with all the lessons. Another thing that I want to make as simple as possible is the amount of tools that you'll be using. Instead of me pulling tools out from left and right throughout this process, I'm going to be using a very small minimum amount of tools, and I'm going to give you a complete equipment tool list to follow along with. And I'll give you options in there of things that you might want to purchase, but you don't have to. And you'll be able to see from the lessons how I'm using those tools, and you'll be able to decide if that's something that you want or not. Another good thing about the wood bowl turning start to finish online e-course are exercises. You know, as humans, we learn best by doing. So at the end of certain lessons, I'm going to ask you to do exercises. The exercises are basically going to be what we've covered in that lesson. So you're going to get to practice at home and you're going to learn by doing. Of course, this course is completely up to you, so you can interact however you'd like, but you're going to get the most out of it by doing these exercises. The content of this online e-course is going to be growing and changing over time. You'll be able to leave comments at the bottom of every lesson. I'm going to read and answer every comment that's left there. If I start to see that there's something or common thread that's questioned frequently, then I may produce more content for that particular lesson. I might make a new video, I might add some more text there, I might create a graphic that helps answer some questions. But this class is going to be growing over time, so you're going to want to come back and check this. Another great feature that I'm offering right now is you're going to have a lifetime membership. As of right now, I'm offering everyone that signs up a lifetime membership. That means is once you sign up and you pay once, that's it, and you're a member for life. You can come back whenever you want. I know how people's schedules are. You have great intentions, you get started and you get interrupted. Well, guess what? It doesn't matter. You can come back a month from now or 6 months from now and continue right along where you left off. So you have a lifetime membership. I'm so confident that you're going to love this course and you're going to learn how to turn the wood bowls that you can imagine, that I'm willing to give you your money back. That's right, I'll give you your money back if you're not fully satisfied. This course is designed for one thing and one thing only, and that is to help you be able to make the bowls that you imagine. And I'm going to guide you from start to finish along this entire process. So you've got nothing to lose. Go ahead and click that link below, check out the course, check all the lessons, and when you're ready, jump on in and join us. And I can't wait to help you make the bowls that you can imagine.